So your Facebook app is making refresh sound. So yeah, you can fix that. Seems there is some kind of a bug. So after recent update to the Facebook app, now there is some weird noise when you just scroll in your app. So whether first easy solution, you can just turn on your silent mode just by pressing the button on the top left of your phone, switching that toggle, but then you will silence all the phones, so you just don't need to do that. You can instead just turn off in-app sounds in Facebook. So just tap on your profile in bottom right, tap on settings and privacy here, tap on settings, and then go to the media, and then turn off in-app sounds here. So there you have it. This way you will just turn off all this scrolling or refresh sounds in Facebook app if they annoy you. So yeah, you can just try to do that. Please put some likes if it solved the issue for you, or leave some comments below.